Let me show you just how easy it is to sign up with Finqalab. To get started, just enter your username, email address, and a strong password. Check your inbox for a code and use it to verify your account. And that's it! You can now make your custom watch list and start tracking your favorite stocks. If you're interested in trading and want to open your trading account, then keep on watching. The Open Account button will direct you to the account opening application. Add some basic information like the type of account, your name, your mobile number, gender, marital status, etc. You'll be asked to add in your financial details, such as your preferred payment method, bank details, and employment details. These details are mandatory legal requirements. Be at ease. Your information is totally safe with us. And with that, you're done. As you can see, Finqalab has turned these complex, repetitive forms into one simple form to make your life easy.